the routine National Weather Service products that we see during the winter are kind of your typical watch and warning and advisory categories that we see with spring severe weather. We have the Winter Storm Watch, which is just issued when there is a chance, a higher probability of 2 inches or more of snow, a half inch of sleet, or a fourth of an inch of freezing rain or ice accumulating in the county. That can then be elevated to an advisory, a winter weather advisory, when there is a chance maybe those numbers aren't met, but there's going to be inconvenience to the residents of Cherokee County, especially with travel. Then you can elevate to 2 different warning products, the winter storm warning. One of those is being met. There's either 2 inches or more of snow, half inch of sleet, or a fourth of an inch of ice occurring. And that is typically issued within 36 hours of the event. And then an ice storm warning, which is more rare, but we have seen them in the past in Cherokee County. And that's typically for a fourth of an inch of ice or more, and more crippling impacts that could occur in the community. If one of these products is put in place for Cherokee County, typically it starts with a winter storm watch. Cherokee County EMA is then going through the process of meeting with stakeholders, public safety entities, and we're getting prepared for what may impact us. Then once one of these products is turned to a warning, we typically still have a little time before impacts occur. So we're going through that, making sure everything is in place, everything is ready to go, so that when snow begins to fall or ice begins to impact the county, we have everything in place. Everyone is set where they need to be, not on the roads, not traveling. The public has all the information they need so that they can prepare way beforehand, a day or two before, so that they are sitting at home watching it snow or watching the ice out the front window. In Cherokee County, we typically see snow and either freezing rain or sleet impacts during the winter. Some of our bigger events have been due to ice or freezing rain or sleet occurring in the county. Those typically impact power lines and trees more and cause a lot of damage or extended power outages. We do see snow impacts. Sometimes it's more on the minor 1-2 inches of snow, but we do get those events where we get a lot of snow and maybe not necessarily the ice impacts. So we tend to have more fun events for the residents to experience. If the power is out during winter weather for Cherokee County residents, there's several steps that you can take to keep yourself warm, but also keep yourself safe. There's a lot of gas or kerosene heaters that are on the market. Just follow those instructions. Make sure that they're properly ventilated. Make sure that you're following those safety instructions so that you don't have any accidents within your house. Same with space heaters. If you have battery-powered space heaters, or even if it's really cold outside and you do have power, those space heaters have produced a lot of structure fires. So make sure that you're putting them in open spaces, that you're also following the manufacturer instructions so that you're not causing safety hazards within your house. Also, we've seen this before where people will crank their car in their garage, but you also need to make sure that you're ventilating that exhaust so that you're not producing carbon monoxide in the house. We recommend people having emergency preparedness kits in their vehicle just in case you are stranded during a winter weather event. Sometimes they can impact our area very quickly, as we found out in 2014. So you need to have that available for you just in case you're stranded, and those supplies within it can help keep you warm, help keep you safe until help arrives. Typical items that we recommend being in a vehicle-based emergency supply kit are extra chargers for your cellular phone, non-perishable food or water, granola bar, something along those lines that could give you a little energy, old clothing, old jacket or gloves or scarf, blankets that you may have that can just be thrown in the vehicle and utilized when you absolutely need them. We recommend those, a flashlight, or any other type of supply that you may need that is particular to your circumstance. Cherokee County residents have many ways that they can receive alerts during winter weather situations. One of those is through the county's free mass notification system, CodeRED, and you can sign up for CodeRED via our website, as well as texting CherokeeAlert to 99411. And that will send you a link that you can sign up and customize your way to receive alerts within the county. NOAA Weather Radio is also an excellent resource to receive watches and warnings during winter weather situations. You can also sign up for many of the smartphone apps or receive text-based watches and warnings that are sent out through the wireless emergency alerts. During winter weather situations, we ask that the residents of Cherokee County follow the advice and recommendations of the National Weather Service and local government officials during those events so that they can remain safe. Roads typically become treacherous in Cherokee County, and that's why we ask residents to stay off the roadways so that you can be home and enjoy the winter weather event with your family.